What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's the 25th of July. Quick update here on XRP. So we put in some new lows overnight. Not ideal for the bulls. So the odds are starting to favor more downside now than upside. Now that doesn't mean we won't rally from here, but as we continue to make new lows here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 days now, all new lows. We have just about reversed this entire move to the upside. The lows right here on the 14th of July are holding still. Those lows, 6673. Today's lows are 67. So we still do have a higher low, but we're getting very close to undercutting the lows of the 14th of July. Just about reversed this entire move to the upside. So the odds are starting to favor more downside than more upside, at least for the short term. Now, there still is a chance that we could double bottom out of here and rally. There is that chance, and that would be nice. But as we continue to make new lower lows, it's not good. It is nice to see that the 68,260, which is this yellow line on the chart, is finding support. You can see we hit it yesterday, and so far we are above it today. We traded below it. We are above it barely at 68,891. Keep your eyes on this low over here from the 14th. If that gets undercut, we could see some very volatile action for XRP, to say the least. We could see a very, very sharp move down to basically that 50, 57, 190, 56, 528 area, potentially slightly lower. So it's just not looking too hot right now. This pullback might not be over. We are still, bottom fishing here, the prices, and it's still making new lows. But hey, hopefully I'm wrong, and the price double bottoms out of here and takes off like a rocket. That would be very nice. But the more days that go by and the more days that make new lower lows, the more concerned I get that this is going to be a full retrace back to the basically 55 to 50 cent breakout level, which is right here. Pink, green, and white lines represent 55, 56, and 57 backtest breakout zone resistance for a very long time, massive breakout, and maybe we'll see a backtest. But so far, the backtest relative to the breakout is very normal, but I didn't think we were going to undercut yesterday's lows, and we did, and so far the markets are still down 1.9, but as we know, and if you don't know, you're about to know, markets will test you to the max, and that is to the upside and to the downside. So they will push you and push you and push you and push you, and you will break, and then the markets will stop and reverse and go the opposite direction. Keep that in mind. Figure out a way to use that to your advantage. So let's see how far this pullback goes, guys. Do we undercut the 14th low? Let me know in the comments. If so, are we going to head all the way back down to 55 and 57 cents? Before we wrap this video up, let's take a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin broke yesterday. Right around when I was putting out an XRP video, I said, look, we got major resistance here at now these are all $30,000 levels, 141, 186, 234. We reversed off that and we headed lower. First stopping point was 29, 143. It's exactly where we closed. Just about. We closed at 29, 176. My level is at 29, 143. So that was support. Very quiet day today. We'll see if it holds. If it doesn't hold, it's back down to a previous resistance level that was broken out, which we've talked about in the past many times. 28,249 right here, this blue line. It was resistance on the 29th of May wedge down, broke out big time on the 21st of June. So maybe we're getting a back test. So 2 levels to keep your eye on for Bitcoin: 29,143, 28,249. If the markets move up, then it's those 30,000, 141, 186, 234, 31,573 if things really start to heat up today. And then been waiting for it. Eventually we'll get it. 34,293. If we see that, then you can guarantee yourself we're going to get a massive XRP rally. We got to get XRP over $1. If there's any market makers out there listening to this, give us a hint somewhere. But right now, it's looking like you guys are taking the markets lower. But hey, maybe we'll double bottom from here. It's nice to see support at one of our levels, 68 to 60. Does today's lows hold? Is today's going to be the lows? We'll see. All right, guys, take care.